My name is Dennis Hopper Jr. This is my new YouTube channel, Tips, Tricks, and Hacks for Real Estate Professionals. Today I'm going to go over for sale by owner hunting, tricks and tips and hacks. I'm going to go over Zillow. I'm going to go over Craigslist, F.S.B.O.com, for sale by owner.com. And I'm also going to offer a way to get a hold of the for sale by owners. Now, first of all, I did mention Rebo Gateway in the last video. This is an account that I have. My name was here, and I have a login and I have a password. This is my dashboard. I can go in and search all these different lead types. Okay, I'll go straight into Zillow, and let's see if we can find some good leads. In Zillow, you're going to go ahead and click here where it says for sale. You're going to click here where it says buy owner. And then all the way to the bottom, click here where it says make me move. If you look to the left here, this is Orange, California. I'm targeting. It will target in that entire area, so probably about a 50-mile square area. I've got a few leads here. I've got Orange, make me move. I've got a Orange, California, off of San Diego Canyon, for sale by owner. And then it looks like I have a few different leads in here. Another for sale by owner here, and I've got a for sale by owner here, and a make me move here. So some good leads there. So what I'm going to do with this program is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to come in here and grab one of these. I'm going to copy the address. I go back to my Rebo Gateway account. I do a one-off quick search. I go ahead and put this in the program here, and I'm going to submit that. Okay, it found the property, and it's this one here. I'll bring it up. Here's the address on the top. Now what I can do, first of all, let's take a look at the tabs here. So we got owner information tab and lead information tab. I'm going to click on the owner. Here I've got a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1771 square feet. I found it on Zillow, but I'm going to go ahead and put it in this system. I'm going to go to my lead information. Now, let's see if there's a phone number on the property. I'm going to click this little blue cross. No phone number in the system. 95% of the time, you can find a phone number for a F.S.B.O. It's going to be a mobile. It's going to be a voice over IP most of the time. If you can't find it, you can use Rebo Gateway, their skip tracing service, to find it. 5 cents. More than likely, you're going to have it. I'm going to come in here. I'm going to make some notes. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to say this is a hot lead. And I'm going to leave some notes. Here on the left in this box, you can leave notes and they're going to stay over here. They're going to hold in the system. And right here, I've already put a note in there for sell by owner and a Z. I'm just telling myself that that is a lead I found off of Zillow. And then right here, I'm telling myself that I need to send them a text needed. And then if I have the phone number, I can put it here. I hope that makes sense. Now what I do is I go back into my Zillow, and I keep pulling leads. I think there's about 15 or so in here. After I get all my leads in the system, I want to show you a few tricks after we get those leads in. So first of all, I'm going to do a right click on this name. I'm going to search them on Facebook. Kind of a sniper lead. Just a simple Google search. Right next to his name, I'm going to put the word Facebook. When I find them, I send them a friend request. They accept my friend request, they see my news feeds, they know I'm an agent. I call that a sniper lead. Just another way to get a listing. So now I'll go into Craigslist, and inside Craigslist, you go to here where it says real estate for sale. And here you're going to go into real estate by owner. Make sure and pick by owner. And the same thing here, you're going to look for leads. If you can find an address, you can go ahead and just plug it in your Rebo gateway. You're going to need to search in here. After you find the address, you simply just go back to your Rebo gateway. You come here to the quick search, and you put the address in here. And you submit it. Another lead generating website, great for agents, F.S.B.O.com. Same thing here. You come in here, you grab the addresses. Copy that. I've got 1258 1 Pine Street. I go back into my Rebo Gateway account. I'm going to load as many leads as I possibly can. I'm guessing I'm going to have around 50. It did pull up Pine Street. Okay, it's in Garden Grove. Again, simply, I can go to the name here. I'm going to do a right click on this name. Again, I'm going to search them on Facebook. If I can find them, another way to get a listing with just a Facebook request, friend request. Now, when you contact these for sale by owners, one of the ways is to just offer them free open houses. Just let them know that you are an agent, and then you want to work that area, and you want some market share. Offer them free houses. It's a way to contact them, to get in front of them. If they turn you down, they don't want to do it. You've already contacted them. You can send them a postcard, a thank you card, letting them know, and then you can just keep following up. But free open houses is a way to get in the door. One more website you can get leads off of, forsalebyowner.com, all spelled out. And here, if you look to the left, I'm in orange already. And you just come through here and the same thing. You're just going to go ahead and you're going to click on a property. You're going to grab the address. Copy it. And then go back into your Rebo gateway. Again, you're just going to put it in the system. So when you're done here, you're probably going to have 50 leads and you're going to Facebook them all. Now, phone numbers, I would just text them. Have you thought about selling your home now or in the near future? Or did you have any interest in open houses with an agent doing an open house? Very simple. Just offer them free open houses. Now, as far as skip tracing, if you want phone numbers, you need to contact Rebo Gateway. It's going to be 5 cents per phone number for a current skip traced address. There is another tool. I'm going to go ahead and open up a site here. It's called Spokeo, SPOKEO.com. This is a service. It's $8 a month. It does work. I've used it before. It's not as good as a current skip trace service, but it does work. Just another way. You can do 1 month for $13.95 here. Now I hope that answers some questions about how to get for sale by owner leads, how to hunt for them, how to go on websites, and then you need to put them into a file. And then Rebo Gateway gives a great way to be able to mail. So basically, if you come here to for sale by owner, there's already for sale by owners in the system. Let's submit and see how many there are. So here I've got 14 total, and you're going to add your other leads there. Let's say you have 50 total. You come in here, you click on Rebo Marketing. It's going to print labels here, a relabel, and that's going to be 30 per page here. And it's going to put a file on the front of your laptop, and then you just print those out, sticky labels. Or you can do a data export. It would be here. Excel spreadsheet, a CSV here. Now, I hope this was helpful. Hope this will give you an ideas on how to get listings, how to follow up with for sale by owners. Thanks for doing the webinar, and everybody have a great day and get some listings.